Welcome in this tutorial about sorting. Before showing you what is new in the sorting, let me make a quick recap on how sorting works. Let's take an inventory, such as the vehicle. There is, for every item, there are two lines, line 1 and line 2. The way the sorting does is that it first sorts the line 1, like Fiat, comes with an F, come before Iveco with an I, which comes before Mercedes with an M. When the first line is equal, like in the first two Fiat, then we look at the second line. Fiat Transporter 1 comes before Fiat Transporter 2. The same for the Iveco Transporter 1 and 2. Line 1 and line 2 are defined in the resource editor here, brand and name. In a time board, the sorting of the primary resources, in our case, the construction site, is exactly the same. Line 1 and then line 2. For the resources that are assigned to a primary resource, like in our case, resources assigned to construction site, it works as follows. Let's take the example of the museum. All resources are grouped by resource type. The task come first, external services and all of the people, and then all of the machines, and then the vehicles. Once you have multiple, for example, people, then again, the way they are sorted together is line 1 and line 2. Let's take again the example of the vehicles. Here, we see that the vehicles which come at the end, we find again the same order. The Fiat with line 1 comes before the Iveco, and within the Fiat, the Transporter 1 comes before Transporter 2, and the same for the Iveco. This is what we had until now. What is new is that we have introduced in the resource editor the capacity, the ability to decide which attribute you want the sorting to be done. For example, in the task, there is an attribute named sort attribute that you see here. Then you have decided that the sorting being done with this attribute. You can decide any attribute you want. And if we come back here in the task, then the sorting is no more done with line 1 and line 2, but it is done in the order of the sorting attribute. Now, the way the sorting is done is in alphabetical numbers. Let me start with letters. A comes before AB, which come before B, like in any dictionary, for example, which come before BB and then before C, etc. Numbers come before letter, and again for the numbers, you look at the first number, which is 0, and then at the second number, and then at the third. So 0, 1 come before 1, which come before 11, we would come before 2. If you want to have 2 coming before, you need to put 0, 2. Then you will have 0, 1, 0, 2, etc. If one of the sorting attribute is equivalent, for example, 1 and 1 here, then again the same sorting scheme is used. Line 1 comes before, and if the line 1, the alphabetical name in line 1 is equivalent, and then it's line 2.